In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do route planning in Airtable. We'll set up a simple workspace, add the built-in map extension, and get it ready so you can visualize destinations for planning efficient routes. Start by heading to Airtable and signing in. On the left side, click Create to spin up a fresh workspace. You'll see a prompt that asks how you want to start. Choose the option to build an app on your own for now. This keeps things flexible and gives you full control over your setup. In your new table, add the basics you'll refer to while planning. Create or rename a field to name so each stop has a clear label, like a customer, site, or delivery location. Then add a notes field where you can capture helpful context, such as access details, preferred time windows, or anything that informs the route. Keeping these two fields tidy up front makes the map much easier to interpret later. Now, let's bring your locations to life on a map. Open the Tools menu at the top, then select Extensions. This is where you can add extra capabilities to your base. Click Add an extension, use the search box to type map, and select the map extension from the results. Click Add extension to attach it to your base. You'll see a new panel appear that will guide you through setup. Click Get Started to begin. The map needs a mapping service to plot points, which requires an API key. If you don't have one yet, follow the on-screen flow to complete that step. If you already have an API key, choose the option that says you have one, then paste it into the field provided. Keep your key private, store it securely, and, if your provider allows it, apply usage restrictions to prevent unauthorized use. Once your key is accepted, the extension will prompt you to connect to your table and choose the field that contains your location data. After that, your records will appear as pins you can pan and zoom through to visualize a day's route. Use the map view alongside your name and notes fields to confirm the order of visits and spot opportunities to group nearby stops. If anything looks off, adjust your records right in the table and the map will reflect those changes. That's it. You've created a simple Airtable setup, added the map extension, and enabled mapping with an API key so you can visualize routes. Save your base, and you can return to extensions anytime to refine your map settings as your planning needs evolve.